Take back control of your digital conversations and shield your thoughts from unintended eyes. Today, we're diving into how to make your X account private, a simple yet powerful way to manage who sees your tweets and interactions. First, open the X app on your device and tap your profile icon. This is usually in the top left corner. From the menu that slides out, find and tap on Settings and Support. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Within this section, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now, you're looking for the Protect Tweets option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap that toggle switch to turn it on. When it's on, your tweets will be protected. What this means is that only your approved followers will be able to see your tweets. New follower requests will need your approval, giving you complete control over your audience. For verification, you'll see a blue check mark next to the Protect Tweets option when it's active. Remember, when your account is private, anyone who wants to follow you will have to send a request, and you can review each one before they see your content. This is a fantastic way to create a more intimate space for your thoughts and conversations on X. You've now successfully made your X account private.